This is how I help Ceramic Homes, the leading tiles industry in Nagpur, establish a proper system in the business that manages all the lead, that captures all the lead, that works even when they are sleeping.
So let's just look right at the website. So this is the website. I've created a properly converting website that mentions all the CDs properly, that is designed according to the proper algorithm that a user is thinking, properly sorted sections, properly sorted features that a user can explore, like serve by finishes, sizes, colors, extra, about section, and yeah, different pages for different features. Like if I want to go to flow types, and this is all easily accessible by the admin. They can change, they can add, they can edit, they can delete all the features through an admin panel. Obviously, I can show you the admin panel, but yeah, it is easily accessible. Like I have not added this product. This products and pages are totally handled by them. All the blogs, all the sections, all the trending panel, like catalogs, this is all handled by them. And this is something that they all handle. Now I don't even touch the site. It's easily accessible for them. If I show you the reels, then yeah, they get good click, they get good impressions. The page speed is good, the SEO is good, press this is good. And if I show you some of the more results, then yeah, this is the recently completed project. I completed this like 1 or 2 days before. Yeah, and just look at the result. It's like out of the box. And I make sure that these results are for our each and every client. And this is something that we truly focus on: clients' requirements, clients' needs, their problems, the solutions. We want them to have a proper system that works, that is fully functional, and that do not cause us any problem. And yeah, we just want to give them the best experience that they can have in the business to manage everything.
If you are serious for your business, comment system in the section below and I will reach out to you personally.